Hi, my name is Prashant. I am the founder of two brands. One is the Invisible Bed and the Space Company. Invisible Bed I started back in 2013, where I was looking to furnish my apartment with a Murphy bed, but I could not find any quality solutions in the market. I know that whatever hardware is available will not last longer than 10 years, and it was not very safe to use. So I designed the entire hardware from scratch, and then we installed it in our apartment, and then it worked. So I thought if I had the problem of space, then there'll be a lot more like me who would be looking for this kind of furniture that helps them to multiply their space and do whatever they want in that space. So that is how the whole brand was born, and then it's been more than 10 years now, and then now we have catered to more than 50,000 customers in the past 10 years.